How to remove email in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove email in Shopee. First, open up your Shopee account on the browser. You can easily visit its website at shopee.com. Once you're here, then navigate to your username at the top right side. Now, this will open a drop-down menu. Here, click on the My Account option. Now, you'll be directed to your account page. Also, ensure that you are within your profile section. Next, simply click on the Change button and then on OK. So this is how you can remove email in Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.